We have no other ways, guys, because we have let the government to take charge, but the government just have failed us for many years. It is time that we take the power into our own hands, because the government will never fix this country if we don't take it upon ourselves to fix this country. Because it's to show you that our hospitals are overcrowded by criminals. Our hospitals and our clinic are overcrowded by criminals who are destroying our country. And I want to say this to the rest of the world, is that we're denying nobody health care. We're simply saying to them, they must go to a private hospital where they will contribute, because even in your country, you pay for health care. Your own people, even foreigners who come to your country, they pay for health care. We want the same thing here in South Africa. The Ghanaian people, which are, if you are watching this video and you are in Ghana, I just want to tell you, we support you for fighting for your country. Don't allow that Ibu guy or that guy from Nigeria to come and form his kingdom in your land. So our sister was in Zimbabwe. She was involved in a car accident, but the Zimbabwean people, the Zimbabwean hospital refused to help this patient. And look, we are not fighting. I'm just here to expose.
This is our chemistry. Only one person. Doctor's waiting area, 0, as you can see. Our clinic is clean. Smells fresh.
Edington Hospital is the cleanest and fastest hospital in KZN. The last time I was in this hospital, it was last year, November. I went to a gynae.
The work is still not done, guys. There's still a lot of places in South Africa that need to be clean. Mpumalanga need to be clean. Cape Town need to be clean. Polokwane need to be clean. So we must continue to fight. And our public clinic are overcrowded by criminals who are here to destroy, to take the medication back to the home country and go open up businesses with the medication they steal in our country. They go clinic to clinic. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on so much it is. Very could be watching from South America, you could be watching from North America, you could be watching from Asia, you could be watching from Australia, you could be watching from Europe, you could be watching from Africa, the mother countries, you could be watching from the Caribbean, you could be watching from anywhere around the world. Could be the first time you bump into my face, could be the first time you bump into my voice, could be the first time you bump into my YouTube channel. My name is Rulani the Tonga Prince from South Africa, from Zanzibar for sure. You're probably asking yourself, what am I doing here? I'm here to talk about what's happening around my country. I'm here to talk about what's happening around Africa. I'm here to talk about what's happening around the world. But most of all, I am here to come and defend my country from those who think they can come to our country illegally. I will be the first defense force. From those who think they can come to our country and work in our country illegally, I will be the first defense force. From those who think they can come and corrupt our country, I will be the first defense force. From those who think they can come and sell my white powder in our country, I will be the first defense force. More than 77% of you guys are watching my content, but you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. Kindly hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my video, you are the first one to get my videos, guys. Don't forget also to hit that join button, become a member, contribute to this channel, guys. Less than $2 or less than 30 rand, you can become a member and support this channel so this channel can continue to grow, guys. But the channel is growing. We are in the road to 20,000 subscribers. Not long ago we were at 10,000, but we are almost to 20,000 subscribers. I also just want to say thank you to my returning subscriber. I also want to say thank you to my new subscriber. I also want to say thank you to you who's just coming here for the first time and you are hitting that subscribe button. I just want to say thank you in advance because let me tell you, it is people like you who comes back and watch these channels so that we can continue to fight for this country. Because guys, if it is not many of us, we cannot fight for this country. So I need many of you, just hit that join button and share the video to your friends and family that, you know what, we must come here, we must come and fight for our country, because we have no other ways, guys, because we have let the government to take charge, but the government just have failed us for many years. It is time that we take the power into our own hands, because the government will never fix this country if we don't take it upon ourselves to fix this country. Because we have seen in the past that they've allowed illegal foreigners to come to our country, destroy our country, and they keep on telling us nonsense. When other countries don't assist us with nothing. Actually, there's a zero country out there that is assisting South Africans. But we are here to fight. And we just want to say thank you to Operation Dudula. We just want to say thank you to to PA, we just also want to say thank you to March for March. We just want to say thank you to PA because let me tell you, these 4 organizations, they are working and fixing this country. Without them, we are nothing. I'm telling you right now. The rest of other political parties, they just talk too much. No actions. We want parties that work with actions, not just go and talk and there's no actions. Like people like about DA, about ANC, they just talk too much. About EFF, they just talk too much. But we are here to fight for our country. So guys, the topic of today, I just wanted to show you just 2 videos. These 2 videos is to show you when we are working in the ground, when we are working on the ground, is that there will be result. It's to show you that our hospitals are overcrowded by criminals. Our hospitals and our clinic are overcrowded by criminals who are destroying our country. Because ask yourself, every day our hospitals, our clinic are full. Public hospitals and clinics are full. And I want to say this to the rest of the world, is that we're denying nobody health care. We're simply saying to them, they must go to a private hospital where they will contribute, because even in your country, you pay for health care. Your own people, even foreigners who come to your country, they pay for health care. We want the same thing here in South Africa. These illegal foreigners who think they come from wherever they're coming from, they think they'll come to our country to destroy our country, destroy our health care system. We cannot allow it. That time is finished. It is finished. This is new South Africa. We don't care about anybody anymore. Because if you're going to come to a country illegally and you think you're going to abuse our healthcare system, you got the wrong country. South Africa has just woken up. And I'm super happy to see Ghana fighting for your country. The Ghanaian people, if you are watching this video and you are in Ghana, I just want to tell you, we support you for fighting for your country. Don't allow that Ibu guy or that guy from Nigeria to come and form his kingdom in your land. Because the rest of Nigeria, they will be coming to your country to destroy your country. You must continue to fight for your country. You must continue to defend your country from criminals who come to your country and come and tell you that they'll start kingdoms in your own land, when you cannot go to the home country and start your kingdoms in the home country. But today it's not about Ghana. I just wanted to say the Ghanaian people, wherever you are, we're in support. Here in South Africa, we are supporting the movement that you're doing. Don't allow them to destroy your country. They've been trying even here in South Africa, but they will not succeed. And I saw a video similar to that, guys, that I think it never got some fire, but I think I must hunt for that video. I'm going to get that video. They are also trying to do the same thing here in South Africa, but I'm going to tell South Africans who must wake up. I saw it. They were there in Cape Town. I'm sure some of you people probably have seen that video. I'm going to go back and hunt for that video. We cannot allow it. The Ghanaian people who are with you, guys, let me not make this video very long, but let me play. But even before I play this very clip, it's not a video, it's a picture that it had some background music that I bumped into TikTok. It was saying rest in peace. She died in Zimbabwe after a car accident, and the hospital refused to help. To help. Okay, English is not English in the probably to help her. She is from South Africa. So our sister was in Zimbabwe. She was involved in a car accident. But the Zimbabwean people, the Zimbabwean hospital refused to help this patient. And look, we are not fighting. I'm just here to expose what you are doing and still come to South Africa and you want us to help you. What you could have done, take this lady to a private hospital, let her family pay. But apparently she has died in Zimbabwe. I'm not so sure about this. I just saw this not long ago. I just bumped into this. I didn't do much of the story, but already I went to the comment section. Some people are agreeing that she died in Zimbabwe, and some people were saying whatever they were saying. Some of them they say Zimbabwean, they didn't have medication and blah 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 blah. But what I'm trying to say to you is that every country will take care of its own people first. But they come here and talk nonsense when our own people are dying in the hospitals. So basically they say she was there. She was probably driving, but maybe she was driving or whatever. I don't have a full information, but At the end of the day, she died in Zimbabwe because of the car accident, and she was refused medical care by the Zimbabwean government. So I thought, guys, let me. I'm gonna put a picture here of the lady. Maybe somebody even have a full story. I'm gonna go back and search more about this story. But let's move to these videos that I wanted to show you guys. The videos that I wanted to show you is these videos of how clean is our clinics, how clean our hospital. So we must continue to work, guys. But let me play you this.
Danville Clinic, today is day 100. Let's check. We are saying goodbye to Danville Clinic. We are proceeding to another clinic now. We'll be going to Forlang starting from next week. But one of our guys is going to stay behind to check, since there are no longer foreigners in our clinics. But we have to take drastic measures. Look at it. This is our chemistry. Only one person. Doctor's waiting area, 0, as you can see. Our clinic is clean. Smells fresh. Look at it. Look at it. Doctor's waiting area is empty. Only 2 people left. Now we are proceeding upstairs. We are now proceeding upstairs. Viewers, fans, this is our day 100. Just look how clean it is. Look, no one here. No one here as well. In the entire clinic, we have only 3 patients waiting for service. Time 3:10. 3:10 in the whole of the clinic. Only 3 people left. Only 3 people left in the entire clinic. Thank you, viewers. Thank you. We are leaving.
Edington Hospital is the cleanest and fastest hospital in KZN. The last time I was in this hospital, it was last year, November. I went to a gynae department. It took me almost 10 hours. Today I got here at 7. I did my bloods, I did my X-ray, I got my operation date in less than 2 hours.
Wow.
Guys,
Wow.
and I wanted to meet the team of March to March to say thank you for fighting for South Africa. And we really appreciate you. We thank you. Salute.
Salute. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm
Thank
really
you.
very grateful. I don't know. I've got tears.
Guys, you can see the work done. You can see yourself that in that whole clinic, there was like maybe about 4, 5, less than 7 people were there in the hospital. I mean that clinic. In most cases, that clinic is full to the capacity. If you go there in the morning, you probably leave there at night, probably not even getting attended because of overcrowded. But we can see the work of what Operation Dudula and March for March, EPA and Action SA, what they're doing to this country. Something that the government has failed. So it is to prove to us that we must take the power to our own hands, because we cannot allow these idiots to continue to destroy our country. And I'm sure the nurses and the doctors are super happy to work in these hospitals and this private, this public clinic and public hospital. The work is still not done, guys. There's still a lot of places in South Africa that need to be clean. Mpumalanga need to be clean. Cape Town need to be clean. Polokwane need to be clean. So we must continue to fight for these clinics to be clean. Because let me tell you, a lot of people are spending a lot of money on medical aid. Money that they don't have. If our healthcare system is like this, not long ago I heard they were not having budget. They can't tell us they don't have budget to service less than 10 people. Who are the people who are really sick in this country? Isn't this illegal foreigners who are in our country? Obviously, it's you can see if the government does not see that our hospitals, our public hospital and our public clinic are overcrowded by criminals who are here to destroy, to take the medication back to the home country and go open up businesses with the medication they steal in our country. They go clinic to clinic to collect medication. But I just want to say thank you to Operation Dudula, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who is working, social media, the people on the ground, everyone who is fighting for this country. I just want to say thank you. We must not lose hope. We must continue to fight for this country, because let me tell you, if we don't fight for this country, our country will continue to get destroyed. And let me tell you, some of these white people who are coming here, defending them is because they are from private sectors. Because let me tell you, should these public clinics and public hospital operate better, people will stop paying for medical aid. So when you see, especially these white people defending these people, you must know they are defending their salaries. They want to continue to milk this country because they don't want the public sector to operate proper. They want to see it in crisis. It cannot be that for them to succeed, they need to see public hospital and public clinics in crisis. We cannot allow that. Let me not make this video very long. I just wanted to pass the message to say, you know what? They can call us names. They can do whatever they want to say and do whatever they want to do to us. We are ready for anything. We'll continue to clean this country. South Africans, stand up and fight for this country. Every department, this is what we must do. We must demand service. We must demand what belongs to us. If we continue like this, guys, this country will be clean. My name is Kulani Tsonga Prince from South Africa. I'll see you on my next video. So please, guys, comment, share the video. Show the people that our clinics are clean. Show them, share this video. Tell them that, yes, our clinics and public hospital are getting cleaner and cleaner every day. The job is still not done. There's still other provinces. Belleville in Cape Town. So many things are happening there. Operation Dudula need to get to market. It need to get to Belleville in Cape Town. Parkland in Cape Town. We are coming there to clean up our cities. Mpumalanga, we are coming there to clean up our cities. We must take over our country. We must not stop even making noise on social media, because these are the results of us making noise. Guys, let me not make this video very long. I'll see you on my next video. I love you. I love you, South Africa. I love you. Sharp, sharp.